wake up, stickman, wake up, wake up. We're on our first day back out after a four and a half day home time. We are here in Nashville, Tennessee, and I do apologize if you're not hearing me very well, but my vocal cords is almost shot. Picking up a load from Expo here in Nashville, going out to Phoenix, Arizona. So I just shut the live stream off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to video this portion, which is just a couple of miles. It's like 4.5 miles to the pickup. I'll shut you down shortly after we get there. Gotta love that beautiful Nashville traffic, though. This one here, not the one on the right, but the one on the left. I have seen a fair share of rolled over trucks on that exit. Pretty dang steep curve, but I have seen a couple of few trucks rolled over there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hop off this exit 52, Murfreesboro Road. And we've just got a couple of miles, just a couple of miles. I believe that I have picked up from this place before. Maybe, just maybe, not 100%. I don't know when we get there if I have or not. But hey, at least the westbound side looks good. Don't look like that eastbound side. Oh man, we gotta get to the next one. They've got them split right in the middle here. How weird is that? Two and a half miles away. Now this load was supposed to have been picked up at like 5 a.m. this morning. But I didn't even get the load info till noonish, something like that. Maybe about 1 o'clock, I don't know. Wasn't really looking at the clock, but I know it was somewhere around noon, lunchtime. It seems like the expos aren't too awful bad on the unloads. Or not in the loading time. Seems like they've generally always pretty good. Seems like. I know the unload times are generally they take a minute, but oh man. And I tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, got a kidney stone freaking rolling. I just passed one about 2 weeks ago, and now I've got another one rolling around. It is harsh to deal with these kidney stones in a truck. I mean, man, it is harsh. Glad we didn't decide to run that light. That dude just walked right out. Who's driving over there? kidney stone. That kidney stone kept me up quite a while last night. And I woke up pretty early today. So I'm kind of just a little bit tired. Let's see if I can't sneak me in a nap while they're loading me. I'll try anyway. But yeah, we're still in our onion season. We're still running onions, but got to get back out to New Mexico way to get our onions. I think it's about 1,600 miles. We're going to Phoenix, Arizona, which is just about 300 miles from the onion shed. We can deadhead that easy. I guess pretty easy. From this delivery back to the onions. And I tell you what, some people is just crazy when it comes to driving. Crazy. And we're only going a mile up through here, so I don't want to get stuck trying to get over. Go ahead and get on over here now. This is a dry load. We don't have to run our reefer. I guess this is coming from the yellow truck shutdown, bankruptcy or whatever. See, all their accounts has moved over to like Expo, R&L, FedEx, UPS, stuff like that. And their overflow, well, I guess we're getting to work with the overflows. Not saying that every load's like that or it's going to be like that from here on out. I'm just saying that's ABF, all them little double runners is, going to pick up where Yellow lost out. They're going to be picking up all their stuff, and of course they're going to need help getting their stuff out. Oh, look at that. We're getting ready to cross under a train track. Looks like we got train cars. Lane Motor Museum. Oh man, I bet that would be freaking sweet to go down to. But the rest of the trucking industry is going to be picking up all the accounts that they've had to let go of. This ain't our spot. Hey, we're pretty much downtown Nashville here. Pretty much. But we're going up to the, well, not quite the next line, but I mean, hopefully that it don't take them too awful long to load us, but hopefully at least an hour. That way it gives me time to take a small nap. Because I definitely do need one for a few minutes anyway. Alright, we'll pass through this line and make a left at the next line, the very next one. have some dash cams pretty well in your view, but we got downtown Nashville right in front of us. Right in front of us. I guess that car behind, in front, he's not paying a bit of attention. He didn't even get over for that cop. That's messed up. And with the traffic that we got, I guess we're just as well sitting here and waiting for the green arrow. We've got a Shell station over on the right hand side there. Looks like it's got truck parking, but I guarantee you it's full. Guarantee it's full. See, now I'd love to be able to get you out and hit the sidewalks on the e-bike right now, which you never can tell. We might be able to. I don't know. We'll find out when we get up here. But see, Expo Logistics, we're going to the same place he's going to. That's where he's headed. Now, apparently, we've got red light cams here because we've got signs up over there on the left-hand side, or the right-hand side, my bad. It says license plate reader technology in use. Looks like we might have had a crash over there on the right-hand side. One's out standing in front of the car on her cell phone, and the other one's talking to a vehicle, or a person in a vehicle there. And we got an Expo behind us. Expo sandwich. I'm actually going to let him come over in front of me, I think. Did you see the little city scooters there? Alright. Hard left, swing wide. I don't know exactly where we go to, though. Oh, I see why it's a hard left. Yeah, that is a hard left right there, y'all. Hard left. Not even sure where to park at. Alright, I'm gonna go check in and I may turn you back on here in a few.